Hi, in today's video, I will talk about what Agile is, how Agile values and principles help in inculcating Agile mindset, and also on the differences between doing Agile and being Agile. Without any further delay, let's get started. Hi everyone, my name is Kalpana. I'm a certified Agile product owner, trainer, and coach with 15 years of experience in software development. I welcome you all to my channel, The Agile Way, the only way to live, learn, and lead. So, here we go. Agile stems from the word agility, which means the ability to move quickly and easily to respond to change in most difficult and uncertain situations. Generally, people assume that Agile is a set of rules or guidelines. No, but it is not so. Agile is a progressive mindset and a philosophy founded on a set of principles, values, and practices that help in doing things in most efficient and effective way, just not one time, but every time. It's very important to know that we can apply Agile in all walks of life. But for now, let's focus only on Agile in software development. We can define Agile as a software development methodology with an incremental and iterative mode of software development with focus on customer satisfaction by rapidly delivering working quality software through empowered and self organized teams. It's people focused, result oriented approach to the rapidly changing market demands. It's centered around adaptive planning, short delivery cycles, along with continuous improvements. Some of the most widely used agile methodologies are Scrum, Kanban, Lean, Extreme Programming, Feature Driven Development, Test Driven Development, Crystal, etc. And also, at times, people use agile as an umbrella term for all these frameworks. So that's fairly okay. Now that we covered what broadly Agile is, let's see how we can achieve the Agile mindset. When I do my Agile or Scrum training workshops, I often hear people saying that, hey, you know what? We do our mini status meeting every day in our daily stand up. That's how we transition to Agile. But you know what? It's never the way, it never works that way. As we said, Agile is a mindset, and the core of it is based on Agile Manifesto with 4 values and 12 principles. Let's take the analogy of a tree to understand how Agile Manifesto will help us in having the Agile mindset. To begin with, Agile journey, either as an individual, team, or an organization, it's very important to imbibe the 4 values of Agile to the core, just like a tree holding onto its roots. The trunk of the tree can be compared to the 12 Agile principles which help us in understanding Agile. As the tree branches out, Agile also has different set of frameworks like Scrum, Kanban, Lean, XP, etc. The leaves of the tree are nothing but a set of practices, guidelines that help in managing the work or software development in the Agile way. Now let's move on to the next important thing in the Agile journey, being Agile and doing Agile. Doing Agile is simply adapting to Agile practices without committing to any of the Agile values and principles. But being Agile is all about like living and breathing the Agile principles and values day in and day out. Doing Agile can be achieved overnight, but being Agile is a journey by itself. Or simply put, doing Agile is easy, but being Agile is difficult. But why do I say that? Because being Agile requires a paradigm shift in behaviors, attitudes, beliefs, and habits. It really takes time to evolve and progress to reap the benefits of Agile transformation. So, individuals, teams, or organizations need to embrace and focus on Agile values and principles as part of their culture to truly survive and succeed during challenging times. So, here is my question to you all. What's your current focus is on? Are you and your organization is deep rooted with Agile values and principles, or just grasping at leaves, just following some of the Agile practices? Please do let me know in the comment section below. I shall throw more light on Agile values and principles in more detail in the upcoming video. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, The Agile Way, to get interesting updates on the Agile and Scrum. Until then, please like and share and subscribe, and also don't forget to click on the bell icon for notifications. Thank you all. Signing off for now.